Okay, here we have exam style question, very similar to what you are going to get. So we are going to go through this question together. I have one very similar to this question for you to try, and then hopefully you will get one very similar in your test. Okay, once you have to read the question first, then come back to the top of it and then underline the keywords. Okay, so 18 marbles, that's one of the keywords, so that's your total. 1/3 of the marbles are 1/3 of the 18 marbles are large. So I'm going to use this line and find out how many large marbles we have. So 1/3 of in math means times. So I'm just going to do 1/3 times 18. You can read it as 1/3 of 18. So it's the same thing. So 1/3 of 18, we know 18 has got the denominator of 1. So I multiply the top together. 1 times 18 is 18. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so you can read this now. 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. So that 6 is the large marbles. We have 6 large marbles. The rest of the 18 marbles are small. So if 6 of them are large, then 18 minus 6 equal 12 are small marbles. Now, each large marble has a weight of 50 grams. So if we have 6 large and each one of them weight 50 grams, so we are going to find out how much is the total for large marbles. I write it here. So 6 times 50 equals 6 times 5 is 30. And then you have a 0 there, so you add a 0. So that's the weight of large marbles. So I write here total for large marbles. Now, each small marbles has a weight of 30 grams. We know that we have 12 small one. Each one of them weight 30 grams. So what I'm going to do is 12 small times 30. Okay, 12 times 3 is 36, and then you have a 0, you add the 0 there, so that's 360. So that's the total for small marbles. Now, work out the total weight of 18. So we know that you have to add that 300 there and 360 there. So what we do is 300 plus, beg your pardon, 300 plus 360 is equal 660. That's total for 18 marbles. Okay, there is another question for you to try. You have to follow exactly the same steps. Make sure you write in front of the numbers you are working out what they are. For example, on the very top line, we work out the large marbles, and then we work out the small marbles, and so on. So write in front of your answers what those numbers are. Okay, here is a very similar question for you to try. Try that question. Once you finish, take a picture of it and post it on ClassChart. have a good rest of the day.